Look at this, guys. Right now, it's 4:39 a.m. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all doing well, having an amazing morning so far. Today's video, I'm going to talk about sacrifices, okay? And first off, before we get into this stuff, I just want to say thank you for the love on yesterday's video. I'm glad you guys are seeing the content sort of develop over time. But what I want to talk about real quick is sacrifices, okay? You saw right now it's like 4:45 in the morning, and one of the sacrifices that I have to make for myself to grow and for my businesses to grow is sleep. You know, I don't work for somebody, so I don't have to work at specific times, but a lot of times I'm up a lot later than, you know, the normal person is, because I have a lot more things to get done. But when you really want success, you know, you're gonna work for things whether you want to sleep or not. You know, if you're tired, most of the time you're still gonna work because you will have things you want to achieve. You have things that you want to get done. And I see a lot of people are scared to take risks and make sacrifices, but you know, everybody's situation and ambitions are different. I would rather, you know, go broke being an entrepreneur and just working for myself and doing all these different things than working a 9-to-5 schedule to be safe and have a stable income where I know I'm not gonna have to worry. But at the same time, you know, that risk, that sacrifice, you know, those are things that make, you know, it makes you feel alive. It makes you feel like you're actually doing something and you're being productive. If I was just working a 9-to-5, I'd feel too comfortable knowing that I'm getting a stable income. It's not like I have an opportunity to get a raise a lot or anything like that. You know, I'm just working a job to make my little bit of money, but I would rather work for the whole entire pie instead of just working for a little slice of a single pie. So what I want to let you guys know is, you know, you're gonna have to make sacrifices. This is a quick little video, but it's just the honest, real stuff. You know, you're gonna have to make sacrifices in any business you start, and business isn't for everybody. You know, risk isn't for everybody. You know, you're gonna have to put in a lot of time, a lot of effort, and even capital. You're gonna have money to start a business. That's just how it is. Don't be scared to take risks. Don't be scared to make sacrifices. You know, maybe it's some friends that are around you that are sort of a bad group that's not really helping you improve and succeed further in life. So maybe cut out some different people. You know, maybe it's taking just financial risk. Maybe it's, you know, making the sleep sacrifice. You know, whatever it is, you're gonna have to make sacrifices in order to get further and further. You can't do the same thing over and over and expect a different result, okay? Try new things, meet new people, get yourself out there and make sacrifices, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow for an eCom video. Hope you all have an amazing Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.